My name is Julie Bones. I'm a registered nurse here at Morpheus Medical Aesthetics. We are talking about lip fillers today. Lip filler is actually a substance that's injected underneath the skin called hyaluronic acid, or HA. There are several brands of fillers that we use to inject in the lips. They are Restylane, Restylane Kiss, Volbella. There are other products which are off-label use and commonly also used for lip filler. These are Juvederm, Juvederm XC, Juvederm Plus, and lots of others. They all essentially are hyaluronic acid, so while they vary in density or stretchability, they technically are the same. We often get questions about whether hyaluronic acid is natural, and the answer is yes. It is naturally occurring in our skin and our body tissues. It's really that youth factor that adds beauty and youth to our skin. A lot of people wonder if they're gonna look crazy after having their lips injected. The answer is no. We here at Morpheus really strive to create a natural, harmonious, balanced look. Anyone who wants to enhance their lips, either by shape or volume, to minimize the fine lines and wrinkles or general signs of aging around the lips would be a good candidate. When you come to Morpheus to get your lips done, first we will take a picture of your lips. We will place some numbing and let you sit with that for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have a history of cold sores, we will medicate you with some acyclovir, as well as send you home with some acyclovir to take so that you can prevent a cold sore outbreak from occurring. After you've been numbed, we will wipe that off and clean you with an antibacterial, and then you will be laid down so that you're in a comfortable position, and we will inject the hyaluronic acid underneath the skin using a very small needle. The downtime for lip filler is usually 24 to 48 hours of immediate swelling. This can range up to 7 days for other people who are more sensitive. There is some expected tenderness when you touch or move your lips. It will be a little tender like a bruise, but nothing more than that really. Some of the things that we can do to help alleviate your swelling are to give you an ice pack. And also, if you would like, we can give you some prednisone. It's about 10 milligrams. You just take 1 tablet by mouth and that helps reduce your swelling. You can also take some Benadryl at night to reduce the swelling in the morning. You can prevent the risk of bruising from getting your lips filled by taking some arnica, eating leafy greens, or also taking bromelain. One of the best ways to reduce your chance of having a bruise with lip filler is to not take any aspirins or blood thinners, such as ibuprofen, fish oils even. All of those can thin the blood and make you more susceptible to bruising. My name is Julie Bones. I'm a nurse here at Morpheus Medical Aesthetics. Thank you for listening to me talk about lip fillers. And if you have any questions about whether or not you may be a good candidate for lip filler, please come and see us.